If you want to block or disable ads on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, let's scroll down to our included apps. To our notifications. Here, locate your app notifications, and here turn off all the apps which send you the notifications and leave only the one which you use. Alright, the second way is to open up our apps. Once again, settings. Let's open up our app notifications, and make sure to turn off your Galaxy Store, because sometimes it can send you some notifications as well, like Galaxy Themes, Galaxy Store. It's basically the previous tab which I just showed you, just a more detailed one. Now let's talk about ads in Samsung Internet. So open up your Samsung Internet, tap on the three lines at the bottom panel, and here you gotta locate your ad blockers. Now here is the list of your ad blockers, so you can install any of them or download any of them, right? Let's press install, give it a couple seconds to be installed. Let's go back. So now you can enable or disable your ad blocker if you want to. And last but not least is our Google Chrome. Let's open up our Google Chrome. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, press on your settings, then scroll down to your site settings. And here locate all the ads options, such as pop-ups and redirects. Make sure that it's turned off, intrusive ads, and make sure that it's turned off as well. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.